Today is November 26th, Indian Constitution Day. This day marks the adoption of the Indian Constitution in 1949. However, the Constitution came into effect in January 26, 1950, which is now known as Republic Day. So, are you looking for a short, inspiring read on this? Well, here is the book for you. We, the Children of India, by former Justice Leila Seth, is a must-read for all young readers. This beautifully illustrated book is written in simple language, but makes up big ideas like justice, liberty and equality. It is easy and fun for kids to understand. It also encourages children to think about what makes a fair and united society. I am giving this book a rating of 5 out of 5 stars, and I recommend it for children 7 years and above. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a copy of this book and draw some inspiration. Bye-bye.